Happy 4th of July. My name is Dean Niels with Master of Mixes, and today we are sharing with you the Patriotic Chi Chi. 2 ounces of vanilla vodka. So kind of like the pina colada with rum, we're adding vanilla vodka to make a pina colada into a Chi Chi. It's quite simple. 2 cups of ice and 4 ounces of Master of Mixes. Making sure that it's ready to blend, and we're just going to simply blend this cocktail out. As we bring in our really cool hurricane-style glass here, a little grenadine on the bottom, and some blue curacao. I'm going to mix the blue curacao with a half an ounce of vodka, because we're going to layer that on top of the drink, and the vodka is going to make sure that it layers on top. All right, here we go. Pouring this perfect drink, leaving just a little bit of space on the top there so we can add that blue curacao and vodka. Watch how this sits right on top of there. Now we can come in with our spoon. Mix that up just ever so slightly. We'll add some blueberries and strawberries on the top. Looking really great. Red, white, and blue. It's our Patriotic Chi Chi. I'm Dean Niels with Master Mixes. Don't forget to like and subscribe.